Guys, so I have not been vlogging very much past couple days just because it's kind of hard to do with work, and once I'm off work I don't really vlog. And yeah, I just finished work and I am about to leave and go home and do some laundry. And Jordan and his mom are both in the office today, so they're not at home. So I'm actually gonna be by myself for a few hours. It's gonna be kind of weird, but yeah. So I'm going to do some laundry and probably start thinking about what I'm gonna pack for Disneyland. We're only gonna be there for 2 full days. We're leaving on Sunday and then coming back Wednesday. Winter time is kind of easy because I know for a fact that I'm gonna wear leggings. So that makes that easy. And then I know what sweater I'm gonna wear and what jacket I'm gonna wear. I'm really happy with what I did today. My client just, she comes in for highlights and then we alternate her appointments. So every 10 weeks she comes in and we'll alternate. So one appointment we will touch up her highlights, and then the next appointment we will just do a root shadow and a toner, and then the next appointment we'll touch up the highlights again. So today was just a toner and a root shadow and it looked so beautiful. It just refreshes it so much and it makes it look like it's brand new, but it just helps to blend it and make the color so much softer. I love a good root shadow and toner appointment. It's just
oh my God, how did that happen? She's not good. She's not good at all. No pressure. Only a 20-foot putt. Oh. What is that, a foot? Yeah, 1.5 feet.
I need to.
What now? I'm just kidding. I'm on stroke 5. You're on stroke 3. Not entirely sure. I'm gonna take one more. Look.
What are you even saying?
Alright. I think it's breaking. Over there. Left, right. Let's see if we can do this putt. Alright, here we go. That's how you do it. Minus the bogey part. But that's how you do it.
Oh, okay.
Par 3. 135 yards. She's thinking it's a little 7-iron. This would be a 9-iron for me. It's going. Oh, the bunker. Hey,
in the bunker.
You're on the beach.
Yeah, I did not finish good. I ended up with a double bogey on that one. Yeah, not great. She's like, when are you going to point the laser again?
Get it. Get it, so. This ain't a laser pointer at all, by the way. Get it. Get it, so. So, look. Get it.
Look at her tail going.
Get it, so. Get it. Get it, so.
Where is it, Zoe?
Get it, so.
Get it, Zoe. Get it, Zoe. Get it. Get it.
You like that, Zoe? Was it good? Was that a good shot? Now we're gonna wrap you up like a little gordita. There you go. You can go no more.
Thank you. Hey guys, so I just got off of work. I'm going to head on home and I think we're going to go to Walmart, and I feel like there's just other stuff that we have to do today. We have his little cousin's 7th birthday party tonight. I think it's at 6. So we're probably just gonna do a couple of things and then head on over that way with Jordan's parents. And yeah, I don't really know what it's gonna be like. If it's gonna be inside or outside, I'm not sure. I don't know if I will be vlogging it. My hair looks really pretty right now. But I'm gonna head on back and